I've already been to Seattle twice, and I try.
So the off trail begins. Cliffs out. If you're taking this ridge, just cut over to this one. I found somewhat of a trail leading up to El Cap, but to not go on the other side of this line of rocks sucks. Hope we can find the trail down through this right here. Here's why I assume the falls summit is. El Cap is still all the way over there. I'll go for another 45 minutes or so, see if I can make it. Standing on El Capitan. Pretty sure it's like 80-85 for elevation. Can't find the trail register anywhere. Pretty sure they took it off Guadalupe for COVID reasons, but I mean, how many people are coming to El Capitan? I don't know where it is. There's El Capitan right there. Guadalupe in the back. Honor. Maybe Pratt, Frijole. I have to go all the way down there. Ugh. Here's the El Capitan trail down there. Hopefully be there in a few days. Williams Ranch Road. Hard to see, but Williams Ranch house in there. Conquered. Oh my God. Oh.